Also, we are in this magnificent house in Syracuse. Wonderful. The white limestone in the windows. Oh, let's go in front of the house. The pool area. Take a look at this wonderful pool area. Ah, stunning. Stunning pool. Everything is stunning. Take a look at this luxurious, wonderful pool area. How many corners where you can enjoy your vacation. And look, the house is just in front of the pool. Out there inside there is a shower and a bathroom. As a lovely pet. There are a lot of these lovely pets where you can enjoy your holiday. And look how many flowers. Syracuse. And take a look. There is an incredible playground. Look. Mamma mia. What wonderful playground. The owner has built this playground for his grandchildren. There's a labyrinth. Let's go from this side. How many palm trees, olive trees. Palm trees. Let's take this stair. The stone, the wonderful white stone. Oh, the pool again. That is the owner. Is a friend of mine. That one is Mr. Paolo. And excuse me, Mr. Rossi. Is the housekeeper. Whatever you need, ask to Mr. Rossi. I found it. Mr. Rossi. Take a look at the kitchen. It's a wonderful kitchen, a wonderful Sicilian kitchen. Very Sicilian. What is over this door? Take a look. Oh. This is a dining table, a credenza, an old Sicilian credenza. And this is lavastone from Etna. Take a look at this wonderful living room. Prego, prego. This is the wonderful, with a private bathroom, double bedroom, of course. course, facing the exterior. Oh, this will be another double bedroom. We are preparing it. Just attached to the main building, there is the depot, built in 1960. There is this room with the kitchen and the dining table, a bathroom, the dishwasher, and another double bedroom. Wonderful. Facing the garden, of course. Mr. Rossi is inside it. Look. Just facing the kitchen. This is the door of the kitchen.